What's going on, guys? It's Maze. I'm gonna show you how to make new jazz kind of beats. There's 3 different types of new jazz. The first one's kind of like rage type stuff. The second one's like actual jazz sounding. The last one's like the goofy type, where it's just like stupid beat. There's 4 principles for new jazz: catchy leads, repetitive progressions, multiple 808s. You want to use kind of like different types for everything. For the 808, the clap, the hat, use something different. So you want to start with like a BPM like 120 to like 140. I got like 137 here. I already picked out a sound. This is a free plugin, by the way, if you guys want to get this, called Podolsky. I'm working on a kit for this thing. Let me know if you guys want one or see anybody use this. I'm gonna add a lead. You want to just try to make this kind of like simple but like repetitive but catchy. I'm gonna add one more. So I'm just gonna route everything in a mixer. Shift Command L. Kind of like mix them quick. On this kit called Evolve. Yeah, super fire. There's a bunch of presets and shit. So I'm just gonna route all these. Shift Command, just select all of them. Right click, route to this track only. Then I'm just gonna cut the low end. I'm gonna start working on the drums now. Fun part. You want to pick out like 3 different 808s. You always want to put them on the same cut. I'm just gonna send the rest of these to the mixer. Hit right there. Shift Command L. And I'm just gonna arrange it. Right click right here on the pattern. Split by channel.